Hey, my name is DaQuan Mebane, and I'm a third-year dental student at East Carolina University School of Dental Medicine.
Hi, my name is Joshua Williams. I'm a D3 student at East Carolina University, and this year, 2025-2026 Schweitzer Fellow.
Oral health is a critical, but often overlooked component of overall health, especially in older adult populations. In long-term care settings, these gaps in daily oral hygiene, limited access to care, and a lack of caregiver training can lead to pain, infection, poor nutrition, and an overall decreased quality of life. To address this, we developed Bridging Smiles Across Generations, a community-based initiative focused on improving oral health through education, prevention, and sustained engagement in the geriatric populations across Pitt County. At baseline, only 37.5% of participants were brushing at least twice daily, and nearly 30% reported using no oral hygiene tools at all. Over 70% reported experiencing oral health symptoms. Through hands-on instruction, caregiver training, and bi-weekly educational sessions, we focused on improving both knowledge and behavior.
Following the intervention, we observed measurable improvements across multiple domains. The percentage of participants brushing at least twice a day increased from 37.5% to 63.4%. And the proportion using no oral hygiene tools decreased from 29% to 7.7%. Participants reported no oral health symptoms increasing from 29 to 51%, and dental visits within the past year increasing from 37 to 51%. These changes reflect improvement in both daily habit and engagement with care. We also incorporated social interactions into the program.
And we would like to thank everybody that made this project a reality. Special thanks to our faculty and our site mentor, Dr. Carr and Dr. Guman, as well as a special thanks to all the NC Schweitzer Fellows and everybody else that helped.